Hey, Kimmy here to talk about our skill builder, represent data and interpret data. Hey explorers! I am out observing birds in the woods. I am going to create a bar graph to share the number of birds I spot today. Let's get the graph ready to go. The x-axis represents the type of birds I will be looking for today. Owls, ducks, and bluebirds. The y-axis represents the number of birds I see. The numbers are going up by 1. Let's spot some birds. How many owls do you see? I see 3 owls. The bar above the owl will line up with the 3. Now let's count the ducks. I see 6 ducks. The bar will line up with the 6 on the y-axis. Finally, the bluebirds. We only saw 1 today. The bar will line up with the 1. The bar graph is complete. Now, I want to know how many bluebirds and owls I see in total. The word total tells us to add the numbers together. There were 3 owls and 1 bluebird. 3 plus 1 equals 4. What do we have over here? Squirrels with a collection of acorns. I want to use a pictograph to represent the number of acorns each squirrel gathered. I give the pictograph the title of acorns collected. Then write squirrel 1, squirrel 2, and squirrel 3. The key or legend of the pictograph shows that each image of the acorn represents 1 acorn. It looks like squirrel 1 has collected 3 acorns. I will put 3 acorns next to squirrel 1. Squirrel 2 has 6 acorns. Squirrel 3 has 2 acorns. Looking at the pictograph, what squirrel found the fewest acorns? I look for the row with the least amount of acorns in it. It is squirrel 3. Nice work. More data to collect. This time I measured the length of 8 sticks in inches. I will use a line plot to represent the information. The measurements are listed above. The numbers on the number line represent the length. I start by finding all the measurements of 1. There are 2 ones. This means I will make 2 dots above the 1. There is 1 2. 1 dot here. There are 3 3s, 3 dots here. There is 1 4 and 1 5. The measurements of the sticks are shown on this line plot. I also created a Venn diagram comparing the red objects and leaves I found in nature. This circle represents the red objects and this circle represents the leaves I found. If the leaves I found were red, they are placed in the middle because they are both red and a leaf. I need to find the number of leaves I found. To do this, I count all the leaves pictured. There are 6. Now I need to find the number of red leaves. The pictures I count this time need to be a leaf and red. There are 2. Let's finish our data analysis with a yes, no chart. After each hike I took this past month, I recorded if I saw a bear on my hike. If I saw a bear, I marked yes starting from the bottom of the chart and moving to the top of the chart. If I did not see a bear, I marked a no, once again starting from the bottom to the top. As you can see, I only saw a bear on one hike, but most of the time did not see a bear. How likely is it that I will see a bear on my next hike? It is unlikely I will see a bear on my next hike, as most often I have not seen one. What a great adventure we went on today, exploring how to represent data and interpret data. Have fun practicing and exploring.